long time no see. We haven't done a vlog like this in such a long time, so we're gonna do one today. I went to Kimchi Mart, which is a Korean supermarket, for the first time ever. I always wanted to go to a Korean supermarket just to see what they have, especially when it comes to their meats, their fruits and vegetables. They're very fresh and nicely packed. I also want to try to find a Chinese restaurant just to kind of see what they have. So I decided I'd come on here and I'll show you guys what I picked up, since I'm trying to clean up my diet and eat healthier. I did go to the doctor, and I think he did mention that I'm borderline obese, and to hear that was, I guess, for my size and my height. So when I heard that, so we're going to start by our diet, because we know that your diet has to do a lot with your weight gain and losing weight and being more active and just moving around. So these are some things I picked up from Korea, from Kimchi Mart, and I'm going to share them with you. And I'm going to tell you how much I paid in the end. So I picked up some, this is it. I picked up some baby bok choy. I was so excited to find baby bok choy because I always find like the really big one. So we got some of that, and look how green and fresh they look. It looks so good. Of course, we got ginger to put like in my tea and to cook with. I got a Japanese sweet potato. I felt like this was very expensive for one potato. This was $3.48, and I'm assuming because it was a Korean supermarket. Also, I see that they eat Napa a lot, so I got some Napa. They said when it's the greener it is, the better. So this is the greenest one. So we got 2 of those. They put a lot of that in like everything they make or their soups. So I plan to do the same. I absolutely love cabbage. This was $4 for a cabbage head. Look how beautifully wrapped this is. Love that. So I'm planning on making some cabbage soup because I heard that's really good when it comes to like losing weight. What else? You got 2 cucumbers, of course. I love cucumbers. I eat this with like some chili oil. I always wanted to try this. This is the Inuki mushrooms. So we're going to try that. I see they put this in some soups as well. Of course, we got some tomatoes. For 6 tomatoes was $3.10. I don't know if that's a good price or not, but it seems fair to me. And then, of course, I got these, the fresh rambutan. These are so good, you guys. So good. Now, I also got some of radish. I never tasted radish before, but I always see them eating the radish. So this is supposed to be really good for you. So we've got that. And then they said this is good. It's a natural probiotic. And I got the Asawasi miso. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. This is the one I picked up because this one has both the white and the red miso mixed together. And it's a soybean paste that you can use in like soups. Got that. For a snack, I got 2 red bean bread snacks. You guys, this is so good. I tried it with my nephew yesterday, so I had to go back today to buy 2. If you're looking for like a snack that's not too sweet, but it's satisfying, this is it right here. It tastes so good, and the bread is so soft and thin. It's amazing. So we got 2 of those. And my nephew wanted to try the cheesy ramen, so I got him a pack. For a pack of 4 was $7.99. I think that's expensive, but again, I think that's because I was in a Korean restaurant, supermarket. So this is the cheesy ramen, and it's cheddar cheese. And then what else did we get? And then a nice snack for me. I got the 0 sugar keto vegan gluten-free lychee drinkable konjac jelly. It has collagen and antioxidant in it and vitamin C. So this is a healthy snack. It's sweet without the savory, so it helps you to not like crave anything sweeter after you take this. So we're definitely going to try this. This was highly recommended. So this is my haul, you guys, from everything that I got from the Korean supermarket. and I'll let you know how everything goes. I don't think you can go wrong with anything that I purchased. Everything came up to, I think it was like, let's see, $53 for everything, which I think is a little expensive. I would probably say 40, 45, but hey. I stopped at Michael's and I stopped at HomeSense, and this is what I picked up. I saw this beautiful vase at HomeSense. It was $34.99 and I picked it up. I just love the color. It just gives me that Japandi vibe, and I can keep this out every season, you guys, because of the color. I love this. And lastly, from Michael's, I picked these stems up. I need these for a floral arrangement that I'm doing for fall. But with this color, I feel like I can use this in the winter and the fall because of the shade of green that it is. But I think these are nice, and I can't wait to put that arrangement together and show you. I got 2 of them. They were 40% off, so it was 2 for $16. So yeah. So that's everything, you guys. I'm gonna go put all this stuff away, get something to eat, and I will see you soon. So I ended up making some fried rice, some bok choy. I'm gonna put some mild kimchi in here, and I just made some chicken breast and I chopped it up. And I love how everything came out, and I used all the Korean ingredients that I got from Kimchi Mart, and it tastes really good. It felt clean, and I would definitely make this dish again. So you guys know I'm always up to something, trying to refresh something, and this is a new project I'm working on. I originally had these cabinets painted over in all black. So what I did was I stripped the paint this weekend, which didn't take long at all, and I'm so glad that that black paint came off. I stripped it down to its natural color that I originally bought it in. Now the rattan part that covered where I'm laying this peel and stick wallpaper over got destroyed. So ChatGPT helped me find ways that I can repurpose this area within the cabinet and make it look brand new. So I ordered some grass cloth peel and stick wallpaper in this beautiful khaki color, and I ordered some beautiful round brass doorknobs, and as you guys will see, it just refreshed this cabinet, made it look brand new, and I absolutely love it. Now I have it here in my kids' room. I do plan to sell it when I move on Facebook Marketplace because it's very good. There's nothing wrong with it, and I am just so excited about how it came out. And yeah, my kids enjoy it as well. So this was easy to do. I ordered 3 wallpaper, and it cost me $5.94 each roll. And I have one of these cabinets in my room. I have a total of 3 of them, and I did that one as well. Now, you guys tell me what you think. ChatGPT, I'll post a picture up of all the different wallpapers that it suggested that will look good if I just resurface the front of the cabinets. But ultimately, I thought this one was the best one for me and my family, the neutral color.